前回のビデオでは past perfect tense について勉強しましたね。こんにちは皆さん、今 Vtuber です。今日はこの tense もっと勉強しましょう。Okay, let's begin. So we will now take a look at the three usage of the past perfect tense. The past perfect tense talks about action that happened before another action, using words like before, after, when, by the time. Take a look at the timeline. There are two actions that happened before the present. I had eaten dinner before the concert started. I had eaten dinner. This is the first action. The concert start is the second action. By the time he got home, I had finished the homework. This means that I finished the homework first, and then he got home. The second type is reason for past actions. Why this happened? Jackson wrote these songs because someone he trusted had betrayed him. So someone had betrayed him, and then he wrote this song. So you have to use the past perfect tense for the first action, then wrote these songs as a past simple. They were excited because they had won the contest. The first action explained why the second action happened. Now, the last type is unreal or imagined situations. This is often used with if to talk about something that didn't happen. For this is more like a conditional which we will explain more in future videos. For the timeline, you can see that the blue past action is very clear. The gray cross shows that an action that did not happen, but would have happened if the past was different. If I had studied, I would have passed. This means that I failed. But if I had studied in the past, I would have passed now. She wishes she had gone to the concert. This means that she did not go to the concert, but she wishes that she had gone. Okay, that's all for today. Past perfect tense についてもっと学んでいただければ幸いです。次のビデオ楽しみにしてくださいね。質問があれば下にコメントをしてください。返事します。今日は本当にありがとうございました。バイバイ。